Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly, boom, your brain goes blank? You know the words, you understand everything. But when it's time to talk, silence. It's like your tongue and your brain are having a fight. Don't worry, I've been there too. Today we'll break that wall together and you'll learn, step by step, how to speak English fluently and confidently. No boring grammar drills, just real talk, energy, and examples you can use today. Take a deep breath. Because this lesson might be the one that finally unlocks your English. Let's start with a simple truth. Fluency is not about speed, it's about flow. You don't have to talk fast, you just have to talk smooth. Think of your first language. You make small mistakes all the time, right? But you never stop to correct yourself. You just keep going. That's fluency. So from now on, stop chasing perfect grammar. Chase comfortable communication. Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English to speak confidently. Say it again, because confidence is step number 1. Confidence starts in your mind, not in your mouth. If you believe you can speak, your words will follow. Stand in front of a mirror, smile, and say out loud, I can speak English. I'm getting better every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Say these like a champion, because you are one. When you smile and speak, your brain releases a small dose of energy. You feel positive and your voice becomes stronger. So, yes, your first daily exercise is simple. Smile, speak, builds confidence. Most learners make one big mistake. They keep translating from their language to English. So every time they want to talk, their brain gets stuck in traffic. Let's clear that jam. Start thinking in English. Small, simple thoughts. When you wake up, say to yourself, good morning. When you make tea, I'm making tea. When you go outside, it's a sunny day. These small thoughts create English pathways in your brain. You don't need big vocabulary. You just need constant connection. It's like watering a plant every day. One drop at a time and suddenly it blooms. Look around your room. Say what you see. This is my phone, that is my bag. The window is open. Simple? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. You are teaching your brain to live in English. Do it while walking, cooking, or scrolling your phone. Soon, your mind will stop translating. It will start thinking in English automatically. That's when fluency becomes effortless. I know what you're thinking, but I don't have anyone to practice with. Guess what? You don't need anyone. You have yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. It's called self-talk and it's a game changer. Say what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm checking my messages. I'm cooking rice. Sounds silly? Maybe. But it trains your tongue and your brain at the same time. And here's a pro tip. Record your voice for 1 minute every day. After a week, listen again. You'll hear your progress, and that feeling is priceless. Most beginners memorize vocabulary lists like apple, book, run, happy. But when it's time to speak, they can't build a sentence. Why? Because fluent speakers don't think in single words. They think in groups of words, little ready-made blocks. So instead of learning just make, learn, make a plan, make friends, make dinner. Instead of take, learn, take a shower, take a photo, take your time. When you use phrases, your mouth already knows what to say next. No grammar headache, no long pause. Try it now. Repeat after me. That sounds great. I totally agree. Could you repeat that, please? Feel that rhythm? That's real-life English in action. Quick mini game. Choose 5 everyday verbs like go, get, make, have, and take. Now write 3 common phrases for each. You'll instantly learn 15 real English sentences without memorizing any grammar rule. Example: go home, go to work, go out. Have lunch, have fun, have a rest. Simple, right? Do this every day and you'll speak naturally without thinking too much. If you want to speak well, you must listen well. Listening is like charging your English battery. When you listen, your brain absorbs pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Start with easy content. Podcasts, YouTube stories, or my videos on English Edge while listening. Don't sit quietly. Repeat right after the speaker. This method is called shadowing. Say the words 1 or 2 seconds after you hear them. Voice says, "How are you today?" You echo, "How are you today?" It might feel funny at first, but this is how actors and interpreters train. Do 5 minutes daily and your accent, confidence, and fluency will grow together. You don't need to move abroad or find a native speaker. You just need small daily chances to use English. Order your coffee in English. Say thank you instead of your native word. Text a friend good morning in English. Comment on YouTube videos. Start with this one. Every tiny action adds confidence points. Remember the rule. If you don't use it, you lose it. So use it every day, even for 1 minute. It's like swimming. You can't learn by watching. You must jump into the water. Speaking alone is great, but speaking with others is power. Find online English groups, Discord servers, or WhatsApp chats. You'll meet learners from India, Pakistan, Brazil, everywhere. Example: A. Hey, do you want to practice English? B. Sure. Let's talk about movies. 2 messages later. Boom, real conversation. These small chats train your brain faster than grammar books. Plus, they make learning fun. You'll laugh, learn, and make global friends. Let's be honest, fear is the biggest barrier. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? Forget it. Every fluent speaker, even natives, makes mistakes. Fluency doesn't mean never wrong. It means keep talking even when wrong. Every mistake is a free lesson wearing a silly hat. So next time you mess up, just say, "Oops, that's how I learn." Say it with a smile. Remember this mantra. My goal is communication, not perfection. Repeat it until fear disappears. Quick recap: 8 steps to fluency. 1. Build confidence. Believe you can. 2. Think in English. No translation. 3. Speak every day, even to yourself. 4. Learn phrases, not words. 5. Listen and shadow. 6. Use English in real life. 7. Join a community. 8. Don't fear mistakes. Small steps plus consistency is fluency. Fluency is not magic, it's momentum. Every time you say one English sentence, you're improving. Every time you watch a video like this, you're feeding your fluency. So stop saying, "I can't speak English." Start saying, "I'm learning to speak English." That one change of a mindset is everything. You're already on your way, and I'm proud of you. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to English Edge for more clear, motivational lessons every week. Comment below, which step will you start today? I'll read and reply to as many comments as I can. Remember, you don't need perfect English to express yourself. You just need courage to start. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep smiling. See you in the next video on English Edge.